Bitcoin breaking out to new all-time highs this morning for 2023. Bitcoin hit 31,520 this morning, a couple hours ago. Right now it is July 6th at 6:45 a.m. It was around like 5 a.m. And right now we pulled a little bit back down. We're at 31,200, but we're going to dive into the charts and see if this is going to be a fake out rally and we're going to crash back down, or if this is true and we're going to continue and really melt up today. So if you're new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like and a comment. And if you've been supporting for a while and you've been seeing what we've been calling this whole time for the past basically year now, drop some stars in the comments as well too. Thank you for supporting, keeping on watching here. I'll put the link in the bio to join the Discord. Come in there. We have a bunch of chatter going on in there, chopping it up. So especially if the market's making moves, having some conversation is always enjoyable along with it. So come over in the Discord, link is in the bio. So right now, let's go into some of the key charts that we're looking at for the macro direction, like whether we're going to a bull or a bear market. And we've been watching these for a while now. This is the stock market versus Bitcoin. So we want this chart, we want the price action to fall because they're using the ticker 1, the NASDAQ, as viewing the chart. So if you're just looking at the chart for Bitcoin USD, if it's going up, Bitcoin's going up. If it's going down, Bitcoin's price is going down. So for this chart, when we're looking at the pairings, we take the first ticker and we're treating it as so, like the similar to just if it was just Bitcoin USD. So if this is going up, the stock market is outperforming Bitcoin. If this is going down, the stock market is underperforming Bitcoin and Bitcoin's outperforming the stock market. So we want this to go down. So let's go to the weekly chart. I think that's the one we've been watching. And what we've seen so far is we got rejected at this 200 moving average up here. We got rejected there and then we try to get above. Never before also have we seen these moving averages cross this whole entire since inception. Never seen them cross. There's been times where we gotten close, but then we tanked down. And that was the 2020 to 2021 bull market where we melted up for like 4 months straight. Coins were going 10, 20, 30x. It was a matter of this. It goes like that. Your life changes like that. Get ready for it. Don't be sitting on your laurels this summer. Get ready. Start gearing up. Put the war boots on because I believe that we're ready to gear up heavy this year. And this could be the start. So let's look at where we're at now with the momentum. The stock RSI is crossing down through that 50 line. TSI is below the 0 line, which means we're in bearish negative territory and it's crossing down. We want to see that confirmed by the end of this week here. So this is all solid. Now let's go to the Bitcoin dominance, the USDT dominance, and USDC dominance. This is a way we can kind of get a tell on altcoin season, whether we're close or not, because we want this chart to go down. If Bitcoin dominance is going down and the stable coins dominance is going down, well then where's the dominance? Where's the money flowing to? It's flowing into the altcoins. This doesn't have Ethereum included, so it could be going into Ethereum, but I could include it, but I'm not going to do it right now. So let's go to the 3-day chart. We have 3-day sell warnings. We got sell warnings. Notice back here in June of 2022, we had the sell now and we went down. This was the ultimate bear market bottom around June of 2022 last year. So it's no surprise Bitcoin dominance came down and USDT dominance, USDC dominance, because money then flowed back into the altcoins. So we're looking for that same signal to flash. 3-day sell now to come in, and then for money to start flowing out of Bitcoin, out of the stable coins into the altcoins. And we're getting close here. We're definitely getting close. It looks, the timelines match up. We're very close as far as, we're in July, the first week. Yeah, first week of July. Like we really didn't pulled down here until July 12th, July 15th, July 18th. We started to break down. Bitcoin bottomed. Oh no, I'm thinking 2021, but we started to break down around the second week of July. We could be in store with doing that a year later in 2023 as well too. So the altcoins are going to start to rip. They're going to start to rip. Get ready. So if you're not ready, if you don't know how to navigate and execute on it, join the Discord. Link is in the bio and ask how you can get premium and get into the VIP membership. Rob at Stargate asked for me when you get in there, say what up. I want the VIP. I'll hit you up in there. Yeah, we're getting ready to strike, and we already have been for a couple plays now for the past weeks. So let's look at the weekly chart here. Yeah, we're getting 3 triple tops, 1, 2, 3. Usually we curl down like that. Yeah, it's looking like all signs to me point to a mega alt season. And if Bitcoin can hold even just hold stable above 31K, you're going to see some altcoins take off. Like Bitcoin has just been kind of ranging up here around 31K. But there's been moments and times where some altcoins have popped like 30, 40%. Some though. And that's what we're doing. We're trying to find the ones that are about to pop and outperform, take some of our coins, ride that wave up. And then as the tide starts to turn, go back into our original coins and have more of the quantity of coins before we go into this mega moon here. We all know where the USD prices are going to go. But if we can accumulate more quantity of the coin holdings that we have before then, you just have that much more. So that's what we're doing. So this is looking good for alt season. Then if we look at the total crypto market cap versus the stable coins, different kind of perspective on the chart. Right now, we came actually this morning with us going to a new all-time high, we came up to retest the 786. So we had this high to this low. We retraced to the 786. We need to break above that to give this 1618 a retest, which is the prior all-time high here around April when the whole market topped as a collective. So that's what we're at. We're at this point right here that just a small tick up will get us up to here, which then is like the rocket moment, the firework moment, because I don't think we're just going to chill up here. It'd be a total melt up, a bang. So that's what we're waiting for. So we're going to be watching that close. Then let's go to the total crypto market cap. We're on the 1 hour chart. Let's go to the 12-hour chart here. Yeah. So this is a different perspective of it. So from the high down to the low. Yeah. We're at like the 786. So just a tick up. And we're gone. We can go up to 1.46 trillion real quick. And that's a solid across the board for the whole crypto market cap. 25%. It's a lot of money. So let's go into the altcoins. So the altcoins right now on the daily chart, total altcoin market cap, riding up on this support trend line like this. We have this resistance trend line coming down like that. We're at that moment. We're just at that moment. It's time for fireworks. It's time for something to pop here. Is it going to be a fake kind of rally with Bitcoin? We're going to pull back down. It's going to take everything with it. Or are we about to melt up? We're going to know today in the next couple of days. So let's go into this again. Let's take a look. All right. We need to see the stock RSI cross up on the 1 day. If we go to the 12-hour chart, we need to see it cross up here as well too. If we're looking at the 12-hour, we need to see the stock RSI cross back up. Same with this MACD and TSI to cross. If you look at the last kind of correction we had late June, we did the same thing here. We kind of cooled off a bit and then we crossed up and then we had a nice pop. That's what I want to see happen. I want to see that happen in the next 24 to 36 hours here. I want to see this cross up, us pop, us get over this fib overlap zone, and then it's game on. So that's that. One thing of concern is the bond yields, the 10-year yield bonds. I didn't cover this in the market update yesterday, but we had this breaking out of the 786 from this high down to the low. We're above the 786 and we're above this trend line resistance right now. It could be a pop-up fake out and we could pull back down, but this is of concern. This could mean we're at a moment, vice 9, locking up. If these bond yields rapidly spike, and then plus 2 with the debt clock, we're close to 33 trillion. We've been saying for months now that once it hits that 33, lights out. I think that's our countdown clock. And with the fact that Fed Now launches July 20th, 14 days away, 2 weeks, the stars are aligning for a potential event could happen, a potential event that only happens once in a blue moon. And we have a super rare blue moon happening August 1st. So there's a ton of stuff lining up for something big to happen. So definitely on the radar, it's on the back of the mind, but we're not going to use that entirely and solely go based off that. We have to be able to switch on a dime, but also keep all scenarios in mind. So that's what we're planning and plotting for. So let's look at Bitcoin right now. Again, let's go to the 12-hour chart. And I really want to see on the 12-hour chart. So we have this candle closing in an hour and 5 minutes. I really want to see the candle body close where it's at now or a little bit higher. To be honest, like, we can close above 31,250 with the candle body on the 12-hour. I really like that. That'd be a higher body. That'd be a body close above all these other prior candles here. And then see, I think we had called this out on a past video. I think we said they were going to kiss. We didn't want them to cross. They were going to bounce like that. And we're starting to see it. We're starting to see the stock RSI cross up and the TSI getting close to crossing up. So that's what we need to see out of Bitcoin in the 12-hour chart. The 12-hour chart is going to be our key. But on the 1-day chart, this is huge. It's not confirmed yet. We got to wait 13 hours and 4 minutes. But when you see that the MACD is like about to cross over like that, and then all of a sudden, right before it does, dark green comes in to save the day. And kind of like on the flip side, you're curling in with the red, and right when it's going to flip green, it says nope, and a dark red comes in and you tank like back here. Yeah. So like, this is what you love to see for continuation. We come very close and then it says nope, but we got to wait until the end of the day to see that candle close confirmation. So this maintains dark green. I would like to see it even pop up a little more. So that's what we're watching there. And then I want to see us have so much strength that we have that dark green come in, we take out a couple of these bars, and then the stock RSI crosses up. Be huge, be absolutely huge. And where can we target? So I was doing the 786 from this high down to this low. We broke above the 786, held that support so far, and it would be around 35,500. So I put in the Discord, actually in the announcements, the two levels to target. There's two. There's one at, I believe, 33,250, I had said, and then 35,500. So join the Discord, link will be in the bio to go see those targets. And we're going to be, tracking in real time as well too. So keeping people updated. You got to switch on a dime if there's new facts. So that's what we're doing. So that's Bitcoin. And then, we're in a lot of peer-to-peer trades right now that have been playing out well. We had the VIP member group session last night. We do that weekly, and we had covered the peer-to-peer trades. Still the same as of last night. Same message, staying the course on them, riding them out. We'll be watching the charts, getting ready to switch on a dime if we need to and lock in those gains. So that's going to be it, guys. That's the market update today. Things are getting spicy. Get ready. It's not the time to rest on your laurels here. It's time to buckle down, because the next move here could be a big decider of how the next 6 months pan out. And the next 6 months are going to decide how the next 6 years play out. So we need to be locked in, focused, and that's what we're going to do here at Stargate. Hope you guys have a good day today. It's going to be a Stargate summer. You can feel it. The sun's back out. It's been a terrible week as far as the weather goes here, but now we're starting to see the sun the past couple of days. So feeling nice, feeling good. I'll see you guys in the Discord and in the next video.